Hello everyone. Welcome to the opening ceremony of Alpiram Online Film Festival of Very Short Films from the Global South. Now, for the musical part of the ceremony, we have with us Ms. Vedi Sinha. She is a FPC alumna and an accomplished singer. She is going to be performing two songs for us. So, Vedi, without much ado, over to you.
Thank you so much. First of all, I want to thank Arun sir and Shrinkla and everybody else uh, for, for giving me this space. Although it's been a while that I've left NID, I feel like there are things that I learned that have really changed the way I look at my world. Of course, I will take this opportunity to thank Arun Gupta sir for simply because I don't know how else to thank him. More for the conversations that we've had outside classrooms than anything else. The more I see him and people like him, I realize that yes, there is unlearning and learning, and there is that process that people are following. And if somebody like him is following it, I feel inspired and I hope that I can continue to do so. There are those people who inspire you without saying so much and who help you see the world in a different light. And that's where I want to begin today. I won't take too much of your time, but I'm very excited to share a little bit of what I understood on my journey with all of you. The last time I was part of Alpiram, I was in the campus, we were all together, and so of course things were different. But another reason why things were different was the situation, the context that we lived in: economic, political, social, environmental. We stand at a point where things are very different. Things are almost violent in every possible way. And that violence affects us continuously. तो जब मैं पिछली बार NID में थी, I had found something after having left and come back. In that duration, I had found something beautiful. The realization for myself that learning is everywhere, that if only we extend our arms, if only we are ready, we can understand more. If we are open, we can learn more. As I went on the journey, much like any relationship, there's a romantic phase of any relationship. And so I had a romantic phase with what I was realizing, and I wanted to share it with everybody. And that's what I want to begin with today. A song by Kabir that literally talks about how all the knowledge we need, all the truth we need is all around us. If only we can extend our arms and reach for it. पीले अमी रस धारा गगन में झड़ी लगी, पीले अमी रस धारा गगन में झड़ी लगी, झड़ी लगी यहाँ झड़ी लगी, पीले अमी रस धारा गगन में झड़ी लगी, पीले अमी रस धारा गगन में झड़ी लगी, बूंद का प्यासा घड़ा बार पाया, सपने में वो स्वाद न आया, बूंद का प्यासा घड़ा बार पाया, सपने में वो स्वाद न आया, कहो किसे कैसे समझाए, कहो किसे कैसे समझाए, बूंद की तरन लगी, पीले अमी रस धारा गगन में झड़ी लगी, पीले अमी रस धारा गगन में झड़ी लगी, प्यास बिना क्या पिएगा पानी, प्यास के लिए है ये पानी, प्यास बिना क्या पिएगा पानी, प्यास के लिए है ये पानी, बिना अधिकार कोई नहीं जानी, बिना अधिकार कोई नहीं जानी, अमृत रस की जड़ी लगी, पीले अमी रसधारा गगन में जड़ी लगी, पीले अमी रसधारा गगन में जड़ी लगी। अमी रस पीवे अमर पात पावे, बहु योनि में कबहु न आवे। अमी रस पीवे अमर पात पावे, बहु योनि में कबहु न आवे। जन्म मरण का दुख नहीं सादे, जन्म मरण का दुख नहीं सादे। घटी गगरिया भरन लगी, पीले अमी रसधारा गगन में जड़ी लगी, पीले अमी रसधारा गगन में जड़ी लगी। झड़ी लगी यहाँ जड़ी लगी, पीले अमी रसधारा गगन में जड़ी लगी, पीले अमी रसधारा गगन में जड़ी लगी, पीले अमी रसधारा गगन में जड़ी लगी. As time progressed, I came to another realization. The realization that I need to share today more than ever before. We're all well-intentioned people. Nobody's white, nobody's black. We all have contexts, and our contexts become our truth. The only problem is, amidst all of that, while we look at the colors of everybody else, we forget to look at the colors that we have. Even when we're looking at our mistakes as a society, as a people, we look at how we were wrong. But I is always right. And I feel like that might be the biggest problem today. In the age of information technology, we're all burdened with so much information. What we get out of it depends on us. And so, the more I move forward, the more I realize the need to reflect, to introspect, and to see where we stand. But the funny thing about this journey is that I realize how I am going wrong every day, in some way or the other. Not to feel sad about it, but to keep working on it. And today, when we all have our contexts, our own information, and our own rights, as it's becoming more and more difficult for us to listen to the other perspective, the other point of view, it becomes so much more important to get back in touch with the human connection that we have. Talk about not what we hate about each other, but why, how, and when did it start? I will move forward to the song I wanted to share today. A song that my journey gave me, a song that teaches me every day. Rangdi. जैसा होली रंगा दीनी लाल मुँह पे फेंके गुलाल मुँह से खेले जैसा होली अंगिया भीगी चूनर भीगी चूनर भीगी 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 मोरी बोली रंगा दिनी भाया हुई भोर जब भया सवेरा, कांपे तर थर डर लपटाए। रंगादिनी 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 लाल मुँह पे फेंके गुलाल, मुँह से खेले जैसा होली। रंगादिनी भाया से रंगादिनी भाया से रंगादिनी भाया से रंगादिनी तृष्णा, रंगादिनी भाया से रंगदिनी तृष्णा, वरदिनी मोरी जोली। रुहा रुहा भीतर सांप लौटाए, मन भरी शंका मन भटकाए। जग छूटा जाए पर द्वेष न जाए। रंगादिनी 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 लाल मुँह पे फेंके गुलाल, मुँह से खेले जैसा होली। रंगादिनी लाल मुँह पे फेंके गुलाल, मुँह से खेले जैसा होली। रंगादिनी लाल मुँह पे फेंके गुलाल, मुँह से खेले जैसा होली। That today we have the opportunity to converse, to talk, and we have a beautiful medium, film. And so I hope that through these films and through many more conversations, we can find ourselves every day, look at ourselves every day, and unlearn every day. Thank you so much for having me today. And I'm really, really looking forward to this festival.